So AirPods Pro are finally a real thing. We've been teased a little bit, but Apple quietly launched them on their website today, and I immediately ordered a pair, and they will be arriving at my doorstep on the 31st. And I'm super excited because I am an avid AirPods user. I've had the first gen for about a year now, and they're in my ears for multiple hours a day due to their just insane convenience. And my case is all scratched up and nasty just to show you how much I use them on a day-to-day basis. So having, the new features that come with the AirPods Pro, particularly wireless charging, makes me really excited. The notable differences with AirPods Pro include active noise cancellation, which makes use of two microphones, one outward facing and one inward facing, which can eliminate noise in your environment and noise within your ears. So I cannot wait to test that out. I've never had a proper pair of noise canceling headphones or earphones. Two, they're really redesigned. They're smaller. The stems on the earbuds are actually shorter. And we also get 3 interchangeable ear tips in like a small, medium, and a large size, which will definitely accommodate people who just could not fit the first and second gen AirPods into their ears properly. We might also have an updated driver, which may enhance the bass quality. We also have the H1 chip, which will allow Hey Siri functionality, which is a feature that I've been lacking with my first gen. And another feature that I've been lacking with my first gen AirPods is wireless charging, which I'm actually excited for. The case looks a little bit different. It's now a little wider and shorter, so we'll see how that fits ergonomically in my hand and in my pocket, because I'm so accustomed to these as of right now. And the AirPods Pro have this little side bevel or flat side on their stems, which Apple calls force sensors, which can allow you to activate the noise cancellation and Hey Siri and skip tracks and so on and so forth. So the minute I get my hands on the AirPods Pro, when they are finally delivered to my doorstep, I will immediately start actively testing them because I use a first generation pair so often already. And I will give you my first impressions and of course, an eventual full review. I'd really appreciate it if you leave a like on this video, comment if you have any questions, suggestions, or opinions, and subscribe for more content like this. I got some iPhone 11 comparison videos coming up, iPad content, and possibly some Surface Pro 7 content coming as well. And as always, I'm Noah, and I will catch you all in the next one.